A new cyclone Amphan will induce heavy rains in the coastal region of India. Cyclone Amphan may intensify by May 18th, and this has been informed by the India Meteorological Department. The cyclone Amphan can intensify quickly into an extremely severe cyclone by May 18. And also this induces the wind of a speed as more than 170 km per hour across the Bangladesh coast and also to the Indian coastal lines. The development may bring heavy rainfall to the coastal regions of India like Odisha and West Bengal. The Indian Meteorological Department said that the Amphan may intensify from a depression in the Bay of Bengal on May 16, and also it is the first cyclone to form in the Indian Ocean region in the year 2020. The Odisha government has placed an administrative setup and also given alert for the people in Odisha to face the cyclone Amphan. To monitor the preparedness, a high-level meeting has been held in the Odishan government and the central government. And also the Chief Minister of Odisha has given instructions to watch over the population near the coastal and the low-lying areas, and also they started preparing for the cyclone shelters amid the coronavirus outbreak. The first cyclone to India in the year 2020 is few knocks away, and existing a low pressure area in the southeast of Bay of Bengal is well marked, and became depression it may become depression within the next 24 hours. And the cyclone may affect the other states of India like China and also on the west central Bay of Bengal. The Indian fishermen are also given restrictions from May 15 because of this Amphan alert in Odisha.